So here we go. I've said it 1,000 times. Number one rule of eating a pickle on a construction site. Pickle to mouth. Number two, never make eye contact with another male. Pickle to mouth. Mouth to pickle. Mouth to pickle, eye contact. You see how wrong that is? Pickle to mouth. Pickle to mouth. Pickle to mouth. It's that easy. Anything shaped like a wiener, like a hot dog is a wiener. I'm not talking about, like a wiener. I'm just talking about if it's shaped like, always bring it to the mouth. Never go to it. You will never hear the end of it.